Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to make this amazing infographic design in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. Plus you can free download it from the link in the description below. So let's start. First of all, we're going to insert our title, whatever the title you want to write, type it into a text box. The font I'm going to use is Aharoni font. Let me increase its size, and the next thing we're going to do is change the top text color to another color other than black. The next thing we're going to do is insert a small circle, remove its fill, give it an outline of black color. Next, what I'm going to do is just put it right here, and I am just going to go to shapes again, and from here we're going to choose this shape, which is apparently a cylinder. So let me just find it from here. Also, what you need to do is use a 2D shape and not a 3D. Yeah, this is how it looks like. We're gonna just put it right onto the circle and make it fully circular from right here. Using this yellow tiny circle, you have to just expand it from here, and our cylinder would become a cylinder with a whole circle base. So the next thing we're going to do is remove this outline and give it a fill of whatever the color you want. So this is how my color looks like. I want the darker area to be lighter, and I want the lighter area to be darker. So what I'm going to do is, we cannot change their color individually. So what I'm going to do is just insert another circle on top of the circular base, and I'm just going to put it and rotate it until it fits my entire circle that we have for the cylinder, like the base. So what I'm gonna do is remove this outline, change its color to a darker, like a lighter red actually. And for this, what I'm gonna do is change this color to a lighter red, and for the top, I'm gonna use a darker red. Next, we are gonna add our title. So this is gonna be step 1. As this is an infographic, I'm gonna add different things. So the next thing we're gonna do is insert another like text in which I'm just gonna change this font and duplicate the shape. But before that, what we're gonna do is go to icons and insert tab and insert an icon into this circular base that we have for the cylinder on top of it. And I'm gonna change this color to white, and the next step we have to do is select everything, and we're just gonna give it a duplicate. So what we're gonna do is click on Control D key. We're gonna make duplicate copies of it. The copy number I'm gonna use is about 6. So what I'm gonna do is just duplicate it about 6 times, but make sure that all of them are aligned to each other. So for that, we need to be very careful, and let me just align everything into my slide in the middle and the center of my slide. Next, we're gonna just put everything like the last parts below, and for the top parts, we're also gonna move them a bit below. But make sure that everything aligns. We're going to insert a straight line that connects the first cylinder circle to the second cylinder. And like this, we're going to connect the first with the second, the third with the fourth, the fifth with the sixth. And with that, we're going to connect the fourth with the fifth and the second with the third. But make sure that you connect their circles and know the top of their shapes. But as you can see, this doesn't look right, so I'm gonna align them fully. For that, what I'm gonna do is make some changes. Also, first, what we need to do is also change the cylinder's color to different colors. But before that, we're gonna select the individual circle and the cylinder, and I'm just gonna give it this shadow here, but the first option. We're not gonna change any other settings. We're gonna use the same shadow for all of them. Like all of the cylinders, for all of them, I'm just gonna use the same shadow that I have. So yeah, here we go. The second shadow, we're not gonna use the second shadow, we're just gonna use the first one. So yeah, this is how it looks after the shadows. The next thing we are gonna do is change the titles according to their numbers. After that, I'm just gonna add the thing that I forgot to add, or any errors that I have made in this template. And also, I'm just gonna make sure that all of them are aligned. As we move our cylinders, the line will also move with it if you have connected the line with the shape of the circle. The next thing we're gonna do is just align these lines fully so that we have no space in between, and these look like straight W lines instead of other type of lines. This still looks a bit bad, so after some editing I have made this as a final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can get this free template from the link in the description below. Don't forget to comment down.